Ever feel that constant, low-grade hum of anxiety? You know, that feeling you've forgotten something important? Well, your mind might be running at maximum load. It's a common system error. Let's diagnose it. The problem is something called open loops. Basically, any commitment you've made but haven't finished yet. Things like call mom, fix the sink, plan world domination. Each one is a background process.
And these processes are eating up your mental RAM, slowing everything down. That stress you feel, that's your system warning you that you're about to crash. Brain.exe has stopped responding.
So, how do we free up that mental bandwidth? The first step is what I call a system-wide data dump. We need to capture everything.
The core idea here is simple. Your brain is for having ideas, not holding them. So you've got to get every single one of those open loops out of your head and into a trusted external container.
This could be an app or a surprisingly advanced piece of tech called a notebook. So for your micro action tonight, just take 15 minutes. Write down every single task, idea, and worry. And yes, even that one about the talking squirrel. Okay, once everything is captured, you need a way to process new things as they come in. And that brings us to the second idea, the 2-minute rule. Here's the algorithm. If a new task shows up and you can get it done in less than 2 minutes,
just do it. Right then and there. No exceptions.
See, the logic is that it often takes more energy to track and remember a small task than to just get it done. It's the perfect weapon against the noble art of procrastination. And the impact is huge. A company VP who used this rule said it gave him back an entire hour of quality, discretionary time every single day. Now, these are powerful tools, but to make the whole system last, you need a keystone to hold it all together.
And that keystone, the thing that prevents the whole system from falling apart, is the weekly review.
Think of it as your essential maintenance routine. Once a week, you get clear by processing everything you've captured, you get current by updating your lists, and then you can get creative. It's the one meeting that's actually about you and doesn't require donuts to get through. Seriously, this review is the key to making this whole thing sustainable. Without it, the system just gets clogged up and fails. All right, we've gone over the architecture, so let's talk implementation. What can you do right now? Here's your directive for the next 24 hours. Your first step is to capture. Forget everything else for now. Tonight, just take 15 minutes and do a full mind sweep. Write down every single incomplete thing that's taking up space in your head. Give your processor the silence it deserves. I turn this into a clean PDF and action worksheet. The link is in the description or pinned comment.
If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more.
What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?